We are at the ferry in Charlotte. Oh, it's just so nice here. And we are crossing Lake Champlain, I believe at the widest point. The ferry takes about 40 minutes. Oh, I think we're coming in here, unless we're going out. I'm gonna steal me a Vermont and New York map. Got Lake Champlain Pirates. I gotta look that up. We got the ferry coming in. It is a little chilly though. Nice cool breeze coming off of here. I go back and forth between, would it be a good job to be on the ferry or just a boring job all day long going back and forth? Same thing. Pretty light going over too. Looks like 4 of us. I like this. There's no gate here, just a little sign, crew only. There's a little cabin here. And we are off. Rest my bones a little up here. Bathroom's a little cramped and not really sort of tourist friendly. It's a little windy out here. This is the full speed here. Should have brought gloves. Of 1953. Alright, according to this, we are just crossing into New York. Have your papers ready. I have switched to my semi-winter jacket here. Last time I was on Champlain, I was on the ferry from Hero to Plattsburgh, and they were breaking through the ice. A brave soul there. There we are. Pretty much the same speed all the way across. I wish I'd caught that sound. That would have sounded like a kaiju. Alright, we are in Essex, New York. I'm going to take a little wander around here. Church bell's going off. I had it at 12:04 though. Must be a time change between Vermont and New York. That pink pig. Oh, it's got Grand Isle on the side, which is not where it's going, I don't think. Ooh, that almost wasn't good. I'm gonna break an ankle sooner or later doing that. All seems pretty reasonable. Stay off the pump house roof. Sorry, no public restrooms. I get that completely, but one of my favorite places in Bar Harbor has a sign that says, please use our restrooms, or it's fine if you use our restrooms. Oh, this is a nice post office, man. And I don't know if that qualifies as a ghost sign or not. Oh man, this I would like. I hope those are open. Alright, little public restroom in Essex, behind the town offices, and this is really nice. I like in places or people where you can take care of your private needs. And this is really spectacular to have something like this on a bike route. I would have loved that. We got a pump. We've got a ton of little tools here. Church key. Oh. I could have used this multiple times on my trip. I almost feel like I want to bring somebody here. A bike, especially this one. I like this one. I think that concludes our little wander around Essex. Cool little lake town here in New York. I would consider coming to visit here, especially to get some very interesting bike routes. They seem really bike friendly. I like places like this that have sort of disappeared. I don't really have time today, but it would be nice to see if there's anything left of it. Very nice menu here. I caught some copyrighted music in the background and had to mute my sound here, but Gus's is an excellent restaurant at an excellent value. I highly recommend it if you're in Plattsburgh. Down there in the distance, that's where I came across. We got a front row seat tonight. And then we got a brave soul there. This ferry's really quick. 10 to 12 minutes. It is chilly though, especially out the front here. Probably close to halfway there. This ferry is actually way more crowded. Still space, still plenty of space. Probably could 5, 6, 7, 8 cars still in here. But I'm not alone. Definitely some gas fumes at this point as we're waiting to get off. We are looking south into Lake Champlain. I'm not familiar with the National Purple Heart Trail.